Hello and welcome to Government with Dr. Turner. Today we will take a look at political parties in the United States. Parties play a fundamental role in our system of government today, but founding documents like the Constitution say nothing about political parties. In fact, George Washington specifically warned against forming political parties. Political parties are organizations that seek to promote their ideas and policies by gaining control of government through the nomination and election of candidates for office. Many groups try to promote their ideas and policies. What makes political parties unique is that they promote their ideas and policies by gaining control of government. In this short video, we will examine the idea of linkage institutions. Parties are known as linkage institutions because they provide a link between citizens and their government. Parties help to overcome the problem of fragmented government created by the Constitution. Linkage institutions play a vital role in connecting citizens to government. They are not officially a part of the government, but without them, a democracy would be very difficult to maintain. The federal government can be confusing and unapproachable, but democracy depends on meaningful contact between the people and their government. The founders intended for the members of Congress to provide that link, but today, each member of Congress represents more than 700,000 people. Political parties represent broad points of view or ideologies. These ideologies present people with alternative approaches to how the government should be run. People identify with the party that best represents their point of view. In this way, people link to their government through political parties. Let's review. Parties help to overcome the problem of fragmented government created by the Constitution.